Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good with everyone? Welcome back to another video, another streaming, trading video. Let's go. You made it. If you're here with me today, you're here with me to get some shmoneys and do an analysis on gold. Y'all, gold is moving. I had to get on here real quick. I couldn't do the music, none of that, because he's moving so fast, right? Like, tanking out of this world. Where could we be heading to? Well, we're heading down here, guys. This is where we're going. Okay. That's a nice little amount right there. Okay. As far as, let's see. My computer's doing a little sticky thing again. All right. Down here, that's 140 click, right? Like, I really just want to just sell, because they have to create an equilibrium in the market. Which, if you look, I'm trying to go back and let the computer load up. I don't know why it's taking this long this morning. I've been on it for an hour and it hasn't been doing this. All right, I don't know what's happening. Let me close some browsers in here and here. Yeah, I think when I closed the browser, it helped out. Okay. All right, so if you can look, we got to complete the wave. We're not there yet. We got a long way to go. So, and we saw that we had things that we were aiming for below from yesterday's trade, which is sitting right here. All right. There's some things below, right, that we were aiming for right here. Another thing we were aiming for. And we knew that there was mad liquidity. Look at these double bottoms here. And this wick here, this stuck out so much. This little pointy thing right here, that stuck out a lot. This one's sticking out. And then these double bottoms, insufficiency sitting over here. We got a lot of things going on right now. A lot of things going on. So gold to me is just tanking. All right. Like, she's just going to continue going down. This is something that will be, we can get into it. We can find an area to get in, but by her strongly moving down, we just don't know how far down she can go, right? So we would just have to use some serious proper risks, because we're trying to find a position to get in that will hold our fluctuation, as far as from entry to stop loss. We want it to be able to fluctuate but not touch our stop loss, but get a pretty good entry in, right? Pullbacks and drawdown is expected. You know what I mean? You just don't want to go in too far of a pullback. So look, like, even from this high to this high on a 5-minute, it's 71 clicks. Usually we're about 50 pips out, right? I'd say about right there. So we're usually about 50 pips out, and this is 50 pips right there. So if we was to take this trade, right now, down, where are we at? 2406, right? Okay, and we're just going to take her down, right, to 2404, 2402, and 2400. We're going to get down there. Let's just go ahead and go, guys. 2404 is the first TP. TP2 is 2402. TP3 is 2400. And your stop loss is going to be at 2412. Let's go. All right. We're just going to go ahead and take it and just set proper risk, guys. I wouldn't suggest you go too willy-nilly crazy on this trade, but just use the proper risk, guys. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and hit that button. I mean, we might catch it. Oops, too big. I almost got another trade open. Hold on, let me see my other trades. Oh, I do got a trade open. Okay, too easy. I can get it here. Right here. All right, cool. So, I mean, there's a chance of us still like popping up. I want to look at on the higher time frame just real fast because we just want to make enough room just so that we can fluctuate, guys. I do see the gap sitting right here. I mean, I see it. We talk about these gaps all the time, right? Let's see. We already reached TP. Let's see, TP. No, we didn't get the TP one yet. We had 2404 for TP1, guys. All right. 2404 TP1. Let me do something. Okay. All right, so what I'm also going to do is go to DXY because I'm sure probably, I don't know, today, did we have news today? We'll have to check. I don't know why this comes up like that. Yahoo. I don't use Yahoo. Why did this come up Yahoo? Oh, that's probably why. Because this one ain't gonna load. It's Yahoo. And this is supposed to be FX calendar. Oh, that's why I pulled up Yahoo. Google search. All right, while we waiting on that, DXY. It's important to look at DXY. Pay attention to how DXY is moving. DXY has been moving to the upside. We do have this insufficiency sitting on DXY, sitting right here. It's moving slow. I don't know what happened. Is something open that's causing it to move slow? Give me a second. Let's see. Oh, I am getting a little error here. What is it? What is open? Nothing's open. We can close that. All right. All right, so let's do it right here. It's still not doing it for some reason. Don't know why. It's been happening all week too. The computer just been like freezing, not giving me anything, really. Like if I try to open a new browser, it takes forever to really load. And I really think it could be something dealing with the CPU power of the OBS pulling at 34% right now. So just give me 1 second. All right, here we go. It loaded. So let's talk about it real quick. We've seen that this here is sitting here. This is money. Let's put the money sign there. All right. We have insufficiency sitting here. What did I say about these? I've always said that these are like a gravitational pull to me in the market. They want to come into this. This big insufficiency is going to like naturally have the market gravitate towards its location. And then also, I know, keeping in mind that 9 times out of 10, insufficiency in price does get filled. So if I'm keeping that in mind and I'm seeing DXY moving up, I'm just going to make it an assumption that gold is going to move down even deeper. Okay. So I always compare gold with DXY. They move opposite directions, guys. I don't know why it's taking forever to load, though. It's really taking a very long time to load, and that's aggravating. Well, good thing it's the weekend, so I can work on that. Because this shouldn't be happening when markets are moving. And I'm actually trying to explain something to y'all so y'all can understand. We're already in the trade, guys. I just can't see where we at in the trade. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull up a new chart. See if that'll do something. Because it's taking forever to load over here. So I'm gonna see if I can get a whole new one here. But as you can see, we do see that money is sitting above. So strong, high chance, DXY could come up that high still. But we also got to keep in mind that we have things that's sitting in these lower areas. Yo, the chart, on this one ain't even coming up. All right. Come on. I'm not sure what's happening there. Let me, can I pull up a new browser? There is a little bit of liquidity sitting below on gold. So I'm wondering if we're going to get there. I don't know why this new browser is coming up like this. This is weird. All right. All right, so it looks like they kind of, I don't know what's happening, change it back. All right, here we are. So here we go. What do we got sitting below in gold? We have this sitting here. Oh, God, it's still doing it. Come on, not today, please. I don't know why it's taking this long to do this. All right, this is weird. All right, I'm just gonna stop everything from loading. I'm gonna close some things out and just to start over. I'm not sure what's happening. I only have the OBS open in a browser. So, and it's the only browser. All right. Let's see. Okay, we don't have nothing on. All right, so can we grab this now? All right, there's no need. We've already marked it. Let's just talk about it. What is sitting here is this insufficiency sitting here, right? So market can definitely come down here. We do see money sitting right here. There's this wick, obvious wick, money in the wick, right? Then we also have this insufficiency sitting right here, right? So getting in here is going to be a little difficult to, we could take a chance right now and just hold it to see if we will get that push to, get down below this wick, because they haven't taken this wick yet. But let's just go here to see why they're bouncing is because of this. They're moving there because this insufficiency is sitting here. So we have a bounce. We got to go down, guys, and look at it. What happened on a lower time frame? Because this is a lower time frame insufficiency. Okay, they got in it. They didn't necessarily feel it, but they did tap it. So we could get a little bit of turbulence coming back up to this insufficiency sitting right here. Naturally, market moves and jumps around on gaps. So if you pay attention and just mark probably like higher time frame gaps, and I would say maybe a 15-minute gap, and you'll see how market moves from one gap to the other gap. The entry price was 2406, 2407 right here. We're going to have some fluctuations. Be able to handle the drawdown. We just want to find, she's already been moving, guys. Look, this is the position I gave y'all yesterday. Right here, up here at 2465. Look how much she has moved since then. And she has created slippage. Up in here, up in here. We have some slippage up in here. So up in here, I just marked this one. So we've already seen the trend that she's been trending down, but she hasn't broken the trend to say that she's coming back up on the lower time frame. So with that being said, I would say that gold could continue coming to the downside, but we are in a lower time frame insufficiency. So there's a chance of her bouncing all the time, right? We're going to bounce off of that, come up, feel insufficiency that they make, and then come back down, right? We're going to go up and come down. It always does this. This is what market does. You got to understand how the market fluctuates. It's going to create slippage so that it can come back and get the slippage. That's what it does. So we're going from one insufficiency to the other, right? We're only trying to collect the 70 or 60 pips. We don't have to complete this whole P&L. We just want to go and get what we need to get. Our first 20, then the 40, then the 60. But we're just going to use really, really tight risks. And once she puts us in profit, we'll go break even. But other than that, guys, this is the play. We've already been talking about gold all week. Go back and listen to the other videos if you missed them. If we're waiting for her to turn around, what we're going to be looking for is for her to break the trend. She hasn't done it yet. So this can just fluctuate for the next 30, 40 minutes. Let me check the news on my phone since it's not coming up on the browser. All right, so it looks like we don't have any news today. Yesterday was the only news that we had. So we don't have news today, tomorrow, so we're good. Next week we have news. We have high news for US dollar. That's what we're looking for. So we're good there. All right. So just, I guess, just regular trading. That's what we're doing. We're just watching price action as usual, because I mean, really, news is just an excuse to move the market price. So if we want to see more of volume, we'll see it during news time. But we could still get pushes and nice little, volume into the market even without news. Okay. Right now, I'm just searching for insufficiencies in price because she moved crazy to the downside, and I want to know when she's going to turn around, and I don't want to get in when she's getting ready to turn around. So let me just go to a higher time frame and check. Look how we're moving and bouncing off of this insufficiency here based off the 1 hour right now. Naturally, we will get a bounce, okay? And they will feel this weak insufficiency that they created. They're going to come and feel it. We can continue to still move to the downside. We have money sitting right here in this wick, but they came into this candle here. This was that last sale before the push to the upside. So this candle is very important. So we're going to get a pull off of that candle. Okay. And we still have this wick here, and we have this big drop down here of money. So, I mean, we got some things we got our eyes on. We're just going to let this thing just play out. Just let it move. Let it work. Let it work itself. All right. So this the play. Y'all got the play. If you're in the Telegram group, make sure you go check the Telegram group. I'm going to be updating you on this trade. Also, if you're not in the Telegram group, make sure you go to the link in the description below. It's free. I don't charge you to get into my group and to watch or to come on to YouTube. You know what I'm saying? It's like me trying to charge you to come on YouTube to watch me trade. I give away the information for free, right? This is not for me. It's for you. I'm here to help whoever trader or whatever trader out there that needs help with their trading and trying to understand smart money concepts. All right. That's what I trade. All right. You want to know why I am always in the blue and not in the red. Well, this is why. And, there's a lot of other things that you got to keep in mind, such as mindset behind the price fluctuations and risk management, account management, all that stuff you have to keep in mind as a trader. But as you guys grow, you'll get faster and quick with your responses because you understand. It just takes time. You got to have time behind your trading, guys. All right. So this is just a short play that we're going to do. I want to say yesterday's trade was amazing, guys, while we wait on this. All right. Yesterday's trade was really amazing at this price at $24.66. I really hope some of y'all held that price, because this whole move from right there is at 500 right now, like 509, like 590, somewhere up in there. 590 pip move. Do you know what you would have made off of that? On whatever lot size. Any lot size you probably would have put down, you made a nice amount of money. You upped your account percentage crazy yesterday. That was a nice call. That call I also put in the free group. So if you're in my group, you got it. I'm aiming here and here. Those are my targets. Let's see. I want to make sure we don't turn around right here. No, we're still good. We're going to fluctuate a lot up in this area due to this gap sitting right here, guys. So it's expected. But I would love to see us get down to 2,400 before the end of the day. If we close out that low, that would be awesome. But I just also want to make sure we don't turn around right here. She would have to do some things up in this area to let me know that we were turning around. And she literally would have to hit my stop. I'm only at a stop of 50 pip. That's nothing. Shit is wide. I got it wide. All right. I wanted it so I could see it. Okay, 50 pip. All right. Remember, there's this gap sitting right here, guys. I'm paying attention to that. We have some more gaps above too, so let's just be vigilant of what we have sitting above, also what we got sitting below. These some nice targets above too. Look at this. When you're trading, you must understand to keep your eyes on things that's happening in the opposite direction that you're aiming. We know what we're aiming for here. We know this. We're looking to get down here. We know this insufficiency wasn't filled. They left some money. We can see that. All right. And we know what's above. As above, so below. So our TP1 is at 2404. So we're just looking for 2404 to get hit. That's like around here. She hit it. All right. So I'm just gonna let you guys, I'm gonna update you guys real quick on this trade. All right. Keep it going. All right, so this alert, I'm just gonna take it down to, they're alerting us now that it's been hit. All right, so it's going on. So the next price that we're gonna go for is 2402 now. So we're trying to get to right here. Like right there. That's good enough. Got my spoon and stuff over here. My coffee. All right, so we'll be alerted once we get down to 2402. All right, up in this area. And the next one, the last one, we're going to aim for, like I said, we want to get down to 2400. So at this point of us already hitting our first TP target, let's just go ahead and secure our trade. Let's go ahead and account manage what we got going on right now because we're already in the money. We're gonna go ahead and break even. So let's go ahead and just move this thing to break even, guys. So we see money, we take money. So if you want, go ahead, take partials. TP2 looks like it will get hit. So you can start taking some profits off the table right now. I'm gonna go ahead and update the group on what we should do next. So we're just gonna go ahead and move SL to break even. For risk-free trade. All right, and it's just as simple as that, guys. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Again, right now what I'm doing is updating the Telegram group, letting them know that, hey, you know, you should move your SL to break even for a risk-free trade, you know. I mean, that's how we're gonna make sure that we don't lose, right? We want to win, and you also want to take money. You want to get paid. We're here to get paid, so let's get paid. Move SL to break even or in profit or risk-free trading. All right. So that's just how it, you know, today gonna go. We got another W. That's a W. That's a win, guys. I tell you, come here. We're gonna get the shmoneys. You feel me? I come here to get the shmoneys with you. All right. So now we're just gonna keep holding this thing out. We are now risk-free, guys. This is a win trade. Look at that. Nice price action happening. Even though they're doing some slippage, but they're just creating footprints, guys. You must understand that. They're creating footprints for them to come back and get later. Let that sink in. Let's go. Let's go, sick gang. Let's go. Man, we killed it this week, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. We did some damage this week on gold. Thank you, all-time highs. I mean, we did some real good damage this week on gold. Go back, guys. Go in the Telegram group right now. Hit that link and just go look. Even if you exit back out, just go look at that. Go look at that shit. Murder. I've been murdering the markets, for real. I'm just flipping through it right now and I'm just seeing like how we've been moving this week. Man, perfect week, yo. We've had a perfect week. We've been moving nicely, gaining so many profits. I just really wish that this trade here, because I took profits on this trade. Here, when I seen after market, after we got off the stream, I seen how she came back up into this area, this insufficiency. Remember, they didn't get up in there, and they kind of like grazed it up in this area. This was what I saw at the time that we were trading, you know. And then as it was coming down, I saw they grazed it, and I decided to go ahead and take it. And it was a good decision, right? But let me show you what I was looking for. They did it later, right here. I wanted to see candles printed inside with the wick and then pushed down. But I wanted to see some insufficiency before it got there. And here it was. And here it was. Guys, perfect. I knew it. Come here. Now we got to go back down, get below this wick and fill all of this area. They did it over here. And they kept doing it, right? So they would create insufficiency, fill it, create insufficiency here, fill it, and then they were walking themselves down. I wanted to see that. Very nice, beautiful price action that was happening there. The transitioning from buyer's market to seller's market was just beautiful, guys. It's amazing to see. But we also keep in mind that look what she did. Ooh, I mean, guys, This is where my next entry would have been, guys. I seen this happen. You know, I was like, high chance of this market going deep. But I had other things I had to do. You know, I gotta go lead a how. I gotta do what I gotta do. Feel me? So, hey, but look, I watched her fall. So nice. And I saw some people trying to sell all-time high at the wrong time. I just wish I could have talked to them and told them, no, wait. Just wait just a little bit and you will get that sale. The sales were coming, just not when they were trying to sell it. They were still trying to sell all-time high when it was still pushing. Okay? It was still pushing. I already had, let me see if they'll let me do it. It should be marked. I marked where I thought, where is it? Where is it? Okay. Right here. Oh, there. I don't know why it didn't show me. Okay. You see this? I got an alert at 2,500. Okay. Why? Because I figured that she would push as far up that way as possible before making that turnaround. And she did. She pushed very close to it. Like literally not even $20 away from 2,500. Okay? Like, yo, they got close enough. They can turn around now. Right? They can show themselves. Where did the sellers come in at? Up here. And they came in, they dropped. First sign they were going. Then the way they just pushed up, I knew, that we had to come back down. Too much insufficiency and price was below. All right. That's how you should look at it. That's how I look at it. Right. So it's a win-win, man. This was beautiful, guys. I'm glad I'm just here to witness it. And I got it recorded. So I can go back and look at it anytime I want to. I mean, we're moving so beautiful to the downside. Okay. We already, again, like I said, we set at break even. So, you know, we chilling. Either you took some money, some partials, some, matter of fact, let me do it. I gotta open up my MetaTrader 4 again. Remember I closed it at the beginning of because it was, I don't know, it was causing my stream to go crazy or something. I never thought MetaTrader 4 would be a big program either. It's not even that big, so it shouldn't even be pulling that much CPU power. All right, so let's go ahead and let's take some profits, man. Let's go. See money, take money. I'm gonna take that money. So I'm in profit, and I got some break even going on. It don't matter. Today's a win-win trade, guys. You know what I'm saying? We'll go ahead and just hold this bad boy out for as long as we want, right? That's the class. Really, this is the session. There's no need for me to sit here and be on a session until all of these hit. I'm at an alert. If you're in the Telegram group, go to the Telegram group. You're going to get the alerts. But you can also just pay attention to it if you want to sit here and look at it all day, right? But that's just not my goal. My goal is not that, right? So this is what I want to see. All right. We still got this. All right, cool. They're creating in more insufficiency in price. All right. So what? We got to come down and get it. All right. I'm done with class stuff, for real. We got the alert set at 2402. We have another one at 2400. I'm wanting her to come to 2400. All right. It's looking good. I mean, if we get down here to 23, I'm calling 2392 right now on the live. 2392. Let's go, baby. Come back later on. We might be down here at 23.92. We might be down here. Just know I called it first. I soldier boyed it. Straight up. All right. Man, it's just, I don't know. I'm amazed about how beautiful gold looks right now. I'm really loving it. Okay. But anyways, guys, I'm not going to sit here long. Remember, I come on here from 8 a.m. Until, I usually stay about maybe an hour. It just depends. I'm looking for the setup. If it takes me a little longer to look for the setup, I'm here for you, But I've already given you the setup. I've already, given you your profits, right? We're in profit. We're break even and we're running profits. So, what more do you want from me? But it was a wonderful Friday. It was fun being here with you guys, man. I'm enjoying this. I might just stick around till TP2 gets hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. I'm gonna be working on some other thing behind the scene too. As far as like making my channel a little bit more entertaining. I think I should do some like vlogging or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I should do that. Boom, TP2 smacked. So let me update the group real quick. Let me update y'all real quick on that. Apply. TP2. And sitting at break even, guys, that's money. Money in the bag, guys. Money in the bag. This is what we come here for. We come here to eat. We come here to eat. If you're not coming here to eat, I don't know what to tell you. All right. We're smashing targets. We're looking good. We're at break even. We've taken partials. Like, we've done everything that we needed to do in our plan. There's nothing else for us to do now but just wait. You're good. Go about your business. Whatever happens, happens. If it continues down, great. If it comes up and smack us, with our stop loss and profit, cool. We're good either way. I'm not greedy. I don't care. If we get more, I'm happy. If we don't, I'm still happy. You feel me? So, but yeah. But that's pretty much, all that I have for you today, guys. Gold is, it's moving very nice. The price action is just beautiful. I haven't seen such beautiful price action in a very long time. When it comes to, the downtrend, the bearish market, the bullish market was just like, it was crazy getting up there, but the bearish market is moving so freaking smooth, guys. Okay. And I'm digging it. I'm gonna watch it, glance at it for the rest of the day. I'm waiting on the next alert to get hit. I'm gonna go ahead and put an alert. Do I need another alert? Not necessarily. Well, I'll put one up here at the 2406 price, just to alert me, to let me know that price is back at the break even, right? But just looking at how she's moving, I doubt that she goes back up here. She can, because of this insufficiencies here, sitting here, but man, she's just moving so nicely to the downside, guys. We don't need news to get pushes in the market. You understand that too? I'm gonna leave y'all with that. All right. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you send it to a friend or somebody, another trader that's trying to learn how to trade or whatever. Or, you come back here and you watch it over and over again so you can get a better perspective of it. You can't just watch one of my videos and think that you got it. No, you need to watch a bunch of them so you can hear my perspective. I'm talking to y'all out loud what's in my brain. Okay? So yeah, go back and watch. I'm saying little things, on every video, just to let you know, okay, that I know personally people charge lots of money for. All right, that's the difference here. I'm not charging you lots of money for it. I'm giving it to you raw. They're gonna say, here, use my YouTube mentorship, or you know, or something, or buy my mentorship outside of social media or whatever. Guys, here is free and it's raw, okay? And I'm gonna give it to you. What they're holding back on, I'm not. You feel me? I'm gonna let you have it. All right. Why? Because I just don't give a fuck. And two, we live in an abundant world. Okay. I think there's enough money for everybody on the planet, right? And I think the gods gave us everything that we all need for each and every one of us, and we're all equal, that we can have it. So this is why I want to give it away for free. Okay. I mean, I'm blessed, guys. I'm blessed just to be here, all right, and to be able to see this, be capable of doing this, and understanding this. I feel grateful, full of gratitude. Okay, so I can give this away for free. Okay, it's all love. It's all love over here, guys. All right. But then, anyways, man, thank y'all again. I'm gone. Thank y'all for coming on the channel. All right. One love. Peace. Modizo out.